Hi Chris, it's the rep here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2017 RSV4RR, which has just a 5900 kilometers on it, and the price is 15,688 plus HST 13% and plus licensing. The motorcycle itself is in absolutely perfect condition, as you see here in this video. This is the battery lead we attach to all the bikes, so you can charge the battery without taking the seat off. The tank guard, it's pretty much stock, the rest is all stock on it. The tires are like new. So the bike is here, it's available. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Here is the VIN number, just in case if you need it to check the insurance quotes. That's right there. So please let me know. Thank you.